You looking at the camera? Yeah, hiccups? Like, what is that thing in front of me? You want to give mommy a smile? Grandma a smile? Grandma TT? Or you want to cry? Which one you want to do? Either one? Just looking around? Anything that's bright in color catching your eye? That's a Wow, that's the closest thing I've ever heard to a smile. And a coo. Alright, there's your 1 minute of bliss.